The mission of Alexander Youth Etiquette Success is to promote the development of young people in achieving their physical, intellectual, and social potential. They do this by providing social and professional etiquette programs that will better prepare youth for their career aspirations and to become a positive influence within their community.
We are here tonight celebrating those kids that are able to actually move up to our 10th grade curriculum. Yes, Alexander Youth Etiquette for Success was surely a success. And so we're here tonight to celebrate, not only to celebrate Panache's anniversary, but to also celebrate the youth in our community, because of course they are our future.
Hi, I'm Shanice, this is Sarah, this is Caitlin, and we are the representatives for the Alexander Youth Program, and we are here at the lovely Panache having such an amazing evening. And today we're going to be portraying our different skills such as music, we're going to be dancing, we're going to be reading poetry, and we're having such an amazing time. Thank you for having us.
Watch out, girl.
Hi, my name is Caitlin. I've been with the Alexander Yes program from last year, and this is my second year here. I'm at the gala right now, so I'm glad that I'm here because it helps me get scholarships for college, and I'm a dance major in high school, so it gets me to get dance scholarships for college and makes me do what I love.
I'm here today to celebrate the 5th anniversary of Panache, a restaurant that I truly adore. And of course, I'm here to celebrate the Alexander Yes Foundation, a foundation that does so much for children, especially children in the urban area. And I'm here to support all of the endeavors of this organization.
I'm proud to be here at Panache at their 5th anniversary, and I look forward to continuing to work with Panache and their Alexander Scholarship Program as they continue to work with young people throughout the community to provide opportunities and benefits.
I am here as a member of AYES, and my name is Zolani Henry. My mother did my makeup. She's a wonderful person, and that's why my eyelashes are so beautiful.
I have some pieces of artwork right here this evening. Part of the proceed will go towards the organization Yes.
How you doing? I'm the Dr. Bob Lee from 107.5 WBLS and Bob Lee Enterprises and the Make the Grade Foundation for Education. Heard about this wonderful restaurant, and I heard about this fantastic organization, the Alexander Yes organization. It's a wonderful charity. I've been talking about it on the radio, and this is how many people teach etiquette. Forks to the left, a guy goes before the girl while going through a revolving door, and all those things that a youngster or young people need to know, and it's a beautiful thing, and I'm glad that we have an organization that's teaching it.
Now, Alexander Yes is about educating and helping our youth, giving them leadership skills, how to go forward. They are our future.
Don't let anything hold you back. Don't let anybody say that you can't do what you want to do. It's all up to you. If you say you can, guess what? Either way, if you say you can't or you can't, either way you're right.
We're live here in Rosedale, Queens. We're excited to have this program for our kids in 9th grade. We provide social and professional etiquette. We help them all the way through high school, so by the time they graduate, they know what career they want to.
All right, how do people get involved?
How they get involved, we would welcome folks to take a look at our site, www.alexanderyes.org, to find more information. We're looking for volunteers. We're looking for folks to donate to our cause.
Who are we?
We are Alexander Yes Foundation.
Who are we?
We are the Alexander Yes Foundation.
And we're Rosedale?
We're in Rosedale, Queens at Panache.
On 107.5
WBLS.
Come chat with me.